Hola, hola, soy Tommy. These Spanish prepositions drive me crazy. Okay, but I want to... What is the difference between desde, hace, and desde hace? Hola, hola, soy Tommy. And today we'll learn how your favorite Spanish teacher, and you still haven't answered me. Because you haven't let me yet. Today we'll focus on these three Spanish prepositions that are confusing you. Desde, hace, desde hace. The typical mistakes you make when using them, and something extra. Oh! Hace que. Huh? That comes later. Okay, what does the preposition hace mean? When we're talking about a period of time, it means ago. Hace 2 horas. 2 hours ago. Hace poco, not long ago, recently. Hace una semana, a week ago. Hace 4 años, 4 years ago. Now read this example. Trabajé en este proyecto hace una semana. Ojo! Ojo! Don't confuse the preposition hace with the verb hacer, to make, to do. They are different things. Trabajé en este proyecto hace una semana. Hace means ago, when something already happened or it is done. I worked on this project a week ago. That already happened. So the verb in this case, trabajar, to work, is conjugated in the past tense. Muy bien, I got that. What does desde mean? When we're talking about time, it can mean from, since. Now I'm interested in explaining when it means since. Tell me an example. But I still don't know what that means. I wrote it down in a notebook. Trabajo en este proyecto desde el domingo pasado. Here, desde means since. You're explaining since when you are working on this project. This is a period of time from a specific point in the past, last Sunday, until now. So the verb trabajar is conjugated in presente. Trabajo en este proyecto desde el domingo pasado. And if I want to say, I have been working on this project for a week, then trabajo en este proyecto desde una semana. That was a mistake! Un error! 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 Yes, I made a mistake. Dios mío. How do you say that correctly? He estado trabajando en este proyecto desde hace una semana. Here we need desde hace instead of only desde. Oh, in this case, when it comes to an amount of time, we use for in English and desde hace in Spanish. Yeah, you can say it that way. Desde means since, from a specific point in the past until now, so far. Trabajo en este proyecto desde el domingo pasado. Desde hace means for when we're talking about the amount of time that is taking you to do something until now. He estado trabajando en este proyecto desde hace una semana. Since last Sunday. From a specific point in the past until now. Desde el domingo pasado. For a week. An amount of time that started in the past and it goes on until now. Desde hace una semana. And if I want to ask, since when are you working on it? ¿Desde cuándo trabajas en este proyecto? Or, ¿hace qué tiempo trabajas en este proyecto? I can also use hace qué tiempo to ask this question. Correcto. Now a few examples to summarize everything. ¿Desde cuándo estudias medicina? ¿Desde cuándo estudias medicina? Desde el 2014 estudio medicina. Desde el 2014 estudio medicina. Desde plus a period of time that started in a specific point in the past until now. Hace 5 años estudié medicina. Hace 5 años estudié medicina. Hace plus the amount of time of something completed. Desde hace 5 años estudio medicina. Desde hace 5 años estudio medicina. Desde hace plus the amount of time of something not yet completed. ¿Hace qué tiempo hablamos de este tema? Desde hace mucho tiempo. Eso es todo por hoy. Muchas gracias. Find us on Instagram, Tomás ya Profe. Y suscríbete. Adiós.